Hello, welcome to Dr. Summer's Canal. Today we'll be talking on factors that affect our health. Why most people believe that there is a scientific explanation to ill health, there are still a number of persons or people who still believe that it is more of diabolic. On this episode, we'll be discussing on the factors that affect our health. And these factors, we are going to enumerate them and just say little things about them. And then in the subsequent episode, we'll be taking them one by one and discussing it elaborately. Number one factor we'll talk about is the biological factors. We're talking about biological factors, we're talking about genetic factors or hereditary factors, inherited conditions or predisposing conditions. And then we'll talk about age. Age is a biological process. You can only grow older. Also, we'll talk about sex. You can either be a male, born a male or a female. Number two on our list is environmental factors. We are talking about the air and water quality. We're talking about housing conditions, sanitation, hygiene, climate, and pollutions. The number three factors affecting our health is our lifestyle and behavior, and these include our diet and nutrition. It also includes physical activity and substance use, for instance, smoking or intake of alcohol or drug use. The number four factor that affects our overall health is social and economic factors. And by this, we mean our income and social status, our educational status, employment and working conditions, whether or not you have a social support network. The fifth one on our list about factors affecting our health is the cultural and psychological factors. And this involve our belief and practices regarding our health. It also involves our mental and emotional well-being and our coping skills and resilience. And lastly is the sixth factor, which is the healthcare services. And this involves not just access to healthcare services, but access to quality medical care. And it also involves the availability of health education. And then the preventive services, are they available? Preventive services such as immunization, screening, and the likes. These aforementioned factors are the things that are responsible for our health. They are the determinants that affect our health. So in this episode, we will just enumerated them. Subsequent episode, we will pick them one after the other and give a detailed explanation and elaboration for proper understanding on how they affect our health. That's it for today. See you next time.